Hey guys, in last session we have discussed about the features of Python and the variables in Python, rules to define those variables in Python. In today's session we are going to discuss about the various types of data types available in Python. The basic data types available in Python are numeric, strings, boolean and date and time. Apart from this, we have some user defined data types in Python: tuple, list, set and dictionary. Let us discuss this user defined data type in detail in future sessions. First I'll explain about this numeric data type. Here we are having two data types, float and integer. Now let us have a look about this integer data type. Now we are assigning value 3 for the variable a. Now if we want to check the data type of variable a, this is the syntax we have to follow. Type within the bracket, we have to mention the variable name. Once we execute this syntax, we are getting output as integer. Now we can able to know this is the integer data type. In the same way, let us check float data type. Here we are assigning 3.3 value for the d variable name. To check the data type of d, this is the syntax we have to follow. Type within the bracket, we have to mention d. Once we execute this syntax, we are getting output as float. So here we can conclude that the variable d is having float data type. And now I am going to explain about string data type. String data type is a sequence of characters or words will be mentioned within the codes. Now here I have assigned the Dawn string data type to the b variable name. Here to check the data type for variable b, this is the syntax we have to follow. Type within the bracket b. Once we execute this syntax, here we are getting output as string. Now we can know that this is a string data type. Now let us check about the boolean data type. True or false is a boolean data type. Here I am assigning value 3 for the variable c and value 2 for the variable d. Now I am giving condition as c is equal to d. Now if we check the condition for c is equal to d, we will get output as boolean. And if we check the value c is equal to d, now to check whether c is equal to d is true or false, this is the syntax we have to follow. C is equal to d. Once we execute this syntax, we are getting false. Now let us check the date and time data type in Python. Here we have to import date and time from the library. Import date and time. Here we have to get the current date and time. Here for variable x, I am assigning date and time dot now. This syntax is used to get the current date and time. Once we execute this syntax, we can able to know the data type of variable x. Now if we want to know the current date and time, if we execute this x, we will get the current date and time here. This is how we can able to use different data types in Python. Thank you guys. Hope this video will be useful for your reference.